Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. After having lots of fun in Tiger Kingdom, now we are going to Big Buddha. It is about 19 kilometers, so it would take about half an hour. This place is located on top of Nakad Hill and is particularly famous among the foreigners. Since most of the people in Thailand are Buddhists, so it is very common to find the Buddha temples here. To know why this particular place is so famous, we need to go inside and find out. Admission is completely free at this place. We are at Big Buddha of Phuket right now. This is the third biggest statue in Thailand. This is completely made of concrete and then decorated exteriorly with the Burmese tiles. And this is like 48 meters tall. And the view from here is so good. You can see the ocean from here, and from here you can see the Big Buddha. So both sides there is a view. The official name of this place is Phra Phutta Ming Mongkol Eknaka Kiri, which means the cherished auspicious Lord Buddha atop Naga Hill. It is a mix of Thai, Sanskrit and Pali words. This place was also known to be declared as the Buddhist treasure of Phuket in 2008. From Big Buddha, you can also see the Ochalong Bay. You have to climb at least about 100 stairs to reach the top. The best time to visit this place is around sunset when the sun is not shining as bright as it is right now. Finally we reached, and this is what you can see from here. The construction of this place actually costed about 30 million baht, which was entirely from the donations. Around the main center statue, you'll find many smaller golden Buddha statues. As you walk around, you will see that there are many scenic spots, and also there are more statues of some monks. Keep walking and you will find the place of worship, which looks like this. You'll find that there are two monks sitting on each side blessing the visitors. You can also just pray or meditate on those mats. If you offer some donation, no matter how small it is, the monk here will tie a sacred thread on your wrist and give you his blessings. You can also make a small donation and take this ball of coins in exchange. The bowls used to keep the coins are so cute, right? There are 32 Buddhas in a row, each with a bowl in front of them. It is believed that donating one coin in each bowl here helps to grant wishes, good luck and good health. It is said that these 32 monks represent 32 organs in our body. If you're in Phuket, then make sure that Big Buddha is on your list. To add some adventure to this place, you can also hike up the mountain instead of taking a vehicle. Though we would suggest you to rent a motorbike. After our amazing experience at Big Buddha, we started on our way to Freedom Beach. This is a low-key white sand beach near Patong. This place is less crowded, maybe because of the fact that it is well hidden in between the mountains, and also because reaching here is a task. We are not really sure if you can see through the video, but the way leading to Freedom Beach is really steep. We'll just take one wrong step to tumble down the hill. Now we really understand why this place isn't crowded. One look at this divine view and all the tiredness is just gone. But we still need to do some hard work before we reach the final point. Until this day, I was thinking that climbing down the hill is really easy. We arrived here right at the time of sunset and see the golden hues. Oh my god, just beautiful. This is rumored to be the best beach of Thailand. Seclusion is what makes this place so special and pristine. If sunbathing is your cup of tea, then you can just spread your towel here or rent a lawn chair for 140 Thai baht. This place is said to be the best for snorkeling because you will encounter some tropical wonders you won't find anywhere else. You can either play beach volleyball, take a dip in water, or just enjoy the view. All I want to do today is just sit here, relax and let the beauty of this place sink in. We are sure that Freedom Beach will stay in our memories for a very long time. We went back to the Patong beach area, had our dinner and called it a day. Early in the morning, we came to the Naithon beach again, gave back the scooter. After we got back our 5000 baht, we thought that we'll just chill here for a while before we go back to Bangkok. Even though this beach is amazingly beautiful, we are still not sure why this place isn't as popular as the Patong beach. This place is easily accessible and has enough restaurants around. The seaside scene has a cosmopolitan feel thanks to the buildings in the background. If you are in Phuket, then definitely give this a try. We are on our way to airport to catch our flight back to Bangkok. Mango sticky rice is the first thing that came to our mind as soon as we landed in Bangkok.
My name is Mr. Mango. Welcome to Thailand.
This looks really ordinary with some sticky rice mango served with coconut milk. This guy told us that we have to pour the coconut milk over the fruit and the rice. I'm really excited to try the most awaited food in Thailand.
Very good, huh? Yeah, this is Thailand red by. Yeah, only Thailand. Mango, mango flow and sticky rice is Thailand only. No one around the world. Yeah, thank you.
We liked it so much that we asked him to pack 3 more of these to eat later. This is so delicious with just the right amount of sweetness. And this marks the end of our Thailand tour. Many more videos coming up. Stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.